Good day traders, welcome ladies and gents, welcome to this video where I will be discussing the perks and benefits you do get if and when you do decide to join the A.C.T Forex YouTube members group. That's right guys, I'm starting a members group. Now it will be of great benefit for you guys to do so, reason being, other than those quirky little emojis that you do get, which you'll find quite amusing, me making funny faces dressed as funny characters. You also get access to members only exclusive content such as some videos, members only posts as well. But the main perk and benefit you get from joining is access to the NY session live stream. Now that will be held a minimum twice a week. Now the reason why it is of great benefit, because it's not just a stream, I will also share with you a Zoom link. Often some of you will be sitting there during the London session probably wanting to ask questions, but by the time you type it up, you may not be able to get the full extent of your message across. So I might not be able to answer your message in a way you'd probably like me to do so. So by giving you access to the Zoom call, you obviously get a chance to hop on and ask me in person under a more intimate setting where I can go into more detail and explain give an answer to your question. Now, not only that, we'll obviously be scoping and looking for potential trade options. So it's the main perk that you do get if you do decide to join a members team. I look forward to seeing you in the group. It's just all it costs is a few cups of coffee. So maybe cut back 2 cups of coffee a week, and that will give you access to the members group. So take care guys. I look forward to seeing you in the members group. Until then, see you on stream. Cheers guys. Catch you then.